Hello class, today our lesson is going to be over the water cycle. Make sure to pay close attention to the slides because we will have a short activity to complete at the end. There are 4 steps in the water cycle: precipitation, collection, evaporation, and condensation. The first step we'll talk about is precipitation. Precipitation is when there is too much water in the air and the clouds can no longer hold it anymore. The clouds get really heavy and then the water falls back to the earth in the form of snow, freezing rain, hail, or rain. The next step we'll talk about is collection. Collection is when the water that has fallen back to the earth, which we call precipitation, goes back into the rivers, lakes, and oceans. Some of the water also falls onto the land, and this is the water that the plants and animals will use. Evaporation is when the sun heats up the water on the Earth's surface, like the rivers, lakes, or oceans, and it turns this water into a vapor or a steam. The water vapor or steam leaves the rivers, lakes, or ocean, and then it goes back into the air. The last step we'll talk about is condensation. Condensation happens when the water vapor in the air gets cold and changes back into a liquid, which is how clouds are formed. Now we will complete the following activity. You have to label each blue box with the letter A, B, C, or D, and then at the end we'll go over it as a whole.